Why don't all clouds produce rain? Thin, wispy clouds like these usually don't produce rain or other types of precipitation. For precipitation to form and fall, there must be clouds. Precipitation never falls from a clear blue sky. However, not all clouds produce precipitation. You probably see clouds every day, but you probably don't experience rain every day. Why do some clouds produce precipitation and others don't? Clouds produce rain when tiny droplets of liquid water begin to stick together, forming larger and larger drops. When those drops get heavy enough, they fall as rain. However, the conditions have to be right for those processes to take place. If a particular cloud doesn't have the right conditions, it won't produce any rain. For example, if there aren't enough droplets of water in a cloud to collide and form large drops, the tiny droplets will stay suspended in the air and it won't rain. In some very hot and dry places, rain may start to fall from a cloud, but the drops evaporate while they are still high in the air. Thin, wispy clouds are usually made up of tiny ice crystals, and the ice crystals are spread too far apart to collide and form snowflakes. These are just a few of the factors that can keep the water droplets in clouds from turning into precipitation that falls to the ground.